Okay, imagine you are a video editor and your client wants a green screen for, let's just say, a dance. Due to the complex nature of dance moves, the hands move a lot. So to mask the target out of the background easily is no longer a task under 1 hour. Until now. Out there in the editing world, there have been various techniques developed to speed up the process of masking, like having limps or sections when masking a human target because some parts move more rapidly and some parts don't. But instead, what we have today is not something just a technique, but newly improved technology. And I am talking about After Effects, ladies and gentlemen. To be fair, I never thought of actually covering a branded software until recently when After Effects announced a new masking tool called Rotobrush 2. Well, it's not really new, but it's a second version which incorporates AI. And this is not just some, buggy or crappy AI that's not as practical as doing tasks manually. This is something even more impressive. Just so you know, this video is not actually sponsored by Adobe, but even if it's sponsored, I'll only say these words if it's actually true. Okay, let's say you have a masking that you need to do for a video, which takes around 10 minutes. Boom, you only need 5 seconds now. This tool is only available right now in the Adobe After Effects beta version. You can acquire it now for a 7 days trial if you don't have an Adobe subscription. All you have to do is click, 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 and get ready to save more time in your life. I literally sound like an ad right now, I don't like this. You draw the area of the object that you want to mask it, hold Alt to clean up. Be sure the first frame is perfectly accurate because the rest will be estimating from the first frame. Render the next or the rest of the frames, and you will have broken the new speedrun record of masking You'll Mind If I Praise the Lord. If you need to correct some spots that Rotobrush 2 has missed, go back to correct it and it will render it again to fix that similar issue in the next few frames. This would have easily been a 3 hours masking session if you do it manually. With this new AI tool, it took me 5 seconds of actually using my brain and 1 minute of my computer using its brain. I'm even nitpicking the hardest masking ones where there are a lot of movements or even with low resolution. In my opinion, it still does a really good job of masking the video and reduced so much time compared to manually masking it or using any similar tools. So now you just have so much more time to do more green screens.
I'm once again asking your financial support.
That's enough memes for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you want any of these green screens, I'll upload them on my video dump channel. Join my Discord if you have any problems or join without any problems. Follow me on Twitter if you haven't, and I'll see you all next time.